Hello everyone. Today I'd like to talk about the new version of the chatbot. It was rebuilt since the last presentation, let's say. It was rebuilt totally from scratch because the previous library is not acceptable for me, having the behavior which is not acceptable for me. So now we do have another its version. Let's start the command line. I'll work from it. So here we are. First of all, we need to go to the folder with the chat, and then chatbot offline. Okay, let's start it. So here it's created automatically the folder for the models and asking you about the entering the URL to the downloading the model from the ChatGPT, or not ChatGPT, sorry, the GPT for all IO. Let me move the window here. Here it is. You know that site, and the basis which is available here. So we can just copy link from the button to download and place it here. Oops, did not copy it. Sorry for that. Let's do it again. Copy link address. Then paste it. Yeah, it's pasted. And running. So now it's downloading the model from the link which we provided to the folder models. You can see here, and it's now have 0 size because it's not moved from the temporary folder of the window like usual. It's downloading to the temporary, then it's moving to the another one, the one which you choose. It's not fast process. So this the first let's say algorithm of automatical preparation to work on your machine. It's like more or less installation process. Yeah. It's quite big file and it's needed time to download. Sure, it will require the some time, let's say. Okay, here I've opened the network and status center to show you that we are connected right now via the Wi-Fi, and here it's much better. We'll see. So Wi-Fi is connected now. Yep. It's just for download purposes. Machine connected to the download purposes. only. So I will skip the rest of downloading and will turn back whenever it will be ready. Okay, we almost on the finish line with the downloading, and the speed is not very good for my 5G. In any case, so I'd like to tell that the algorithm of downloading the file is using the only included to the Windows 10 or 11 tools. So you don't need to install anything new to be able to download the model from the internet. Sure, if you have another sources, you can go ahead to use it to download the LLM databases. In my understanding, it's database. So we almost done with the file. So you don't need to worry to install something additional, except the libraries for the Python, which you do need to use during the let's say program actions or program algorithm actions. So after the model will be downloaded, as you may noticed, we do have two folders, models and chat history. The chat history is not present on the folder yet, so it will be created automatically. So going next, and as you may see, here is the chat history folder created as soon as all preparations have been done. Here you see a welcome message which is giving a bit more information about the chat program version, database which we downloaded and will be using, and the my nickname. So let's go further. Here we are. But before we will let's say continue, I assume that we need to exit from the program. Yeah. And I will disconnect from the network to make let's say explanation properly. Here it is, and we've disconnected. Let me refresh the window. Here we are. And to confirm that, let's go to start command line, ping google.com, nothing, then let's ping gpt4all.io, from which we were downloading it. So now we are, and let's go config release. All networks are clear except one virtual which I have, but it's going nowhere. I was using it for sharing the internet from my machine. Okay, we've gone out. Here we have empty folder. In the models we do have the model which we downloaded. Let's let's ask our program to do what we would like to ask the program to do. I don't know. Let's ask it. Oh, first of all we need to start. Yeah, here it is. The preparation stage, as you can see, were skipped because we did it on the previous time. Now we will ask, please write the Python program which will print the word oops touch screen rainbow on the screen. Make each letter different color. Oops. Please use term color. I like this library for it. Let it make something, and until it's thinking, I'd like to show you one more thing what the program is doing. In the chat history it's created, yeah, it's created, but strangely it does not write anything. Let's try again. I don't know what happens. Sometimes the models are behaving weird. No? Okay, let's start. Let's start from another thing. Hi there. Maybe it does not like that we did not greet it first. Who knows? Because the model is not mine. I just downloaded and reused it. So we'll see. No, my computer is not powerful enough for that, because it's only Core i5 with 16 gig of RAM without any dedicated graphics. The program is using only the CPU. In any case, I'll let it think. Something strange. As for me, it's something strange happening. Yeah. It decided to answer, you see. Okay. It just wrote this program, but as you can see it will print one by one. Let's ask it, please make it in letters, not it, letters. In one because it will work. It will print red R, yellow A, green I, cyan N, magenta B, and blue O. So, but it will be vertically, like print, 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 like next line each time. So I've asked it to make it in one line. We'll see. And yes, you can use the different bases or models which is available on the site GPT for all.io, and until it's thinking, let's just for fun, let's copy the file and run it. Just save CI offline chat, and here will be like a test py. It's supposed to appear here. Now we need to start cmd and we need to go to the folder and Python test py. See? Oh, this is strange. Prompt and color import colored. Something wrong. Strange. Whatever. It's supposed to work, as much as I understand. Okay, let's change it to this one. Save. Let's run it again. Why it does not colors the writings? Let's check. Okay, yeah, it's not correct. Instead of pluses, it have to be the commas. Okay, then we need to change a bit program, but Control C, H. Okay, this one will change to comma. Replace all. Yeah, that will be faster. Save. Now try it. Yeah, well, it's strange behavior, by the way, because I do use this library for the chat itself. I don't know why it does not want to show, because it's correct. Syntax is correct. Okay, let's import turn color. Who knows, maybe the library needs to import now? No. Strange. In any case, we are now here not for the, let's say, programming, we're just checking what we can do with the program. Okay, now we are exiting from the program. Here we are. So in the chat history, we do have the conversation, our conversation history. And you see this model is really interesting. It's touchy, let's say, touchy one, because until I said it hi there, it does not try even to do anything. Okay, let's check again test py, no, which is really weird as for me, because whenever we are running the chatbot, it's using colors. So you see, model is already created, downloaded, sorry, models folder created. We do have one model in the folder. Okay, let's go further. Preparation stage is finished. Blah 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 blah. Hi there. How is going? And I'm pretty sure that it will answer that it's what's wrong with ya mate. Does not want to react once. I assume that something I've configured something wrong on the let's make you more creative. Huh? And let's make the maximum tokens. Now we need to restart the program. Exit. Restarting the program again, we'll get the same, and you see now we don't have two history files because we 2 times already run the program. Here we are, blah 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 blah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. How are you? As I said, I've increased the temperature of the, let's say, thinking for the model, and it starts joking. Okay. Cool. Oops. Typed here. Okay. Cool. I see. Yeah. Good. We'll see what it will reply, just for fun. And yes, we're still offline, and the program is working. As for me, it's working. Thanks, I'm doing well down here. Anyone may have. Yeah, okay. Again, on another window. Exit. So, here we are. We don't have history of our chats for further investigations in case if it will behave weird or so. And we don't have downloaded model. One more thing I'd like to show what the program can do. Sometimes we do have an issue with delete. Yes, we are deleting 2 items. Sometimes we are by mistake. Let's look. It created the models, which is empty now. Then by mistake, just pressed enter instead. So you do have 2 choices. You can try again, or you can pick up the model, another one from the list. I have created the list, so let's select. Now it's proposing for you the list of the models, which is available now on the site which I've mentioned. And for instance, what we can take, okay, star coder. I were playing with this model, just let's pick it, Now what it's done for you, it's created the link to download, which you can use. Okay. Right click. Okay. Now it will start to download this model, as you can see. Oh yeah, it's asking. Oh, how funny is it? So it finished the rest, but what it says? Okay, cool. I've break my program. Yeah. So it's time to say bye in this video, as you can see, and I need to check what's wrong with the program. But till the and before we go off, you see, it's automatically changed the model in the config file. I know what's wrong with the program, guys. We are offline. It was unable to download it, and okay, let's go back with bringing the to the config. Let's say it will say just for fun, yeah. Save. Okay, in the config we don't have that model, so cleaning the screen, deleting the folders. Wow. Let me connect the internet back. Connect. Yeah, here we are. We are connected. Now let's start our chat again. Oh, the same, you've seen it. Then we'll hit that one and pick Rift, for instance. Rift. Yeah, here here we are. So we are connected. Right? Let's see. Will it start? Yeah, it started to download. I'll be back whenever it will finish. Okay, the database is downloaded. Let's look at it. Modules, yeah. Okay, now let's disconnect from the internet. Disconnect. F5. Yeah, now we are disconnected. Let's look to the config file, and here we have written Rift, so it's changed the config file, the model in the config file. Oh, how cool is that? Why? So it's created the history and gone. Which model it is? Now I know what's the problem in my program. After it's downloaded, it is not checking what the model is in the config file. It's searching for the still for the previous model. But if we will restart the program, you see, it's working. Hi there. So the, let's say, first working release of this version of the chat, I can say made. and it will be optimization process following this. At least now we don't have one working program which is working absolutely offline. This was the task, just to make the offline chatbot based on pre-trained model, anyone out of the list, and maybe just for fun or so, but it's nice project and to be continued.